So we've got this nasty looking hull on my boat, and these are remains from the barnacles that I tried to remove by hand last year, and they actually come up as 3 millimeters small mountains. So there's two ways of doing this. One is to sand it down, the other way is to try to dissolve them. So we're going to test out this product for dissolving the remains of the barnacles, and this is aluminum cleaner restorer by Starbrite. If you read on the back of this one, you'll find out that it's very aggressive. So gloves is something you want to put on. Keep that in mind, and then we will see how this nasty hull possibly will change with the fast treatment of this. So as a start, I would just rinse off the surface with just regular water. I have one of these high pressure, low pressure cleaner, and you can see here that this they're all the way to the front. Good to know. And in French. It comes with this setup included in the package. It just goes down in here, and then you close it up so you have your own spray bottle. So let's see this in action. Seems to work. Well, here you can see how much this actually etches your aluminum. Check out this area over here. That's where I cleaned, and this is up here which is not being cleaned. So it's obviously etches the surface quite hard. So I think the best way to do this is to apply it and get rid of it as fast as possible. This is after one application, and I must say that this etcher is extremely aggressive. Not that it takes much, maybe a hair strand or so in depth, but it cleans very nicely. Also removes most of the seaweed. So I'm applying this now. You can see here I'm applying it twice to be a bit careful. We have some remain of a barnacle sitting there, but it's almost gone, and it's all done in less than 15-20 minutes. So now I can show you. This is one side, the one I've treated, and you get some strikes, so you need to apply it evenly. You see the strikes here. So if you do it in turns several times, you will get an even appearance. Let's go over and look at the other side, how it used to look like. So this is what it used to look like 5 minutes ago. Here you can see the barnacles are still there, and the aluminum is all dirty and oxidized, uneven. I'm gonna do this side now, and then I'll show you the final results. The barnacles are calcium carbonates. They dissolve in this acid mixture much faster than the aluminum oxide, which is covering your aluminum boat. And this is basically the trick to this detergent. You can actually see how they start. Well, you see it over there. They start almost bubbling, forming froth. Here you see one. The good thing to remember is that you can actually twist this one a little bit so you get a beam instead of a spray. And that way you can reach all the way in under your boat and get all the surfaces which you wouldn't be able to reach from the side.
Okay guys, if I'm gonna rate this product, I would give it 95 points out of 100. And I purchased this myself. It was about 30 bucks. I can tell you that I would have paid 100 bucks for it. That is how good it is. I'll show you some examples.
The barnacles sitting there are completely gone. And the hull is entirely clean from any type of seaweed and stuff that I could have gotten rid of by using another product, but it helped a lot. It's getting a bit dark now. Let's see if I can raise the light. But this is the side that you saw a couple of minutes ago. And this is what's left of the barnacles. It was completely covered here. I think if I ran it one more time, I could probably get rid of the last few stains or remains. But it's actually smooth here now. I can sense them a little bit. So it took 95% of the barnacles, and that's why this product got a rating 95 out of 100. We will check the rear of the hull as well, where I showed you a lot of them. So that's over here. It's the area that was completely covered. And they're almost gone. Here they're all gone.
So on this section I got it strike free. You can see the difference in color up there and down there, and that's what's formed with the years of use. That doesn't come from this product, because I actually used the same amount up there as I used down there.
But I'm overall very satisfied. This, whatever it was called, Starbrite aluminum cleaner restorer, is a good buy, I think. Cheers. Here's a final little close-up on what this actually looks like. The Starbrite product, it doesn't take all of it. You can see here there's some remains here, and I think this is partly because this is actually not the calcium carbonate. This is the glue from the barnacles, and that doesn't dissolve with acid. So, but overall it's a smooth surface. If I would have run it one more time, I believe I would have gotten rid of all of it. But now, this bottle that you buy for the $30, it lasts for about 2 applications on a 5 meters. Well, this is a 5 meters 30 boat.